Okay, this morning we're going to talk about grooming daylilies. They are so easy to do. They look so much prettier when they've been groomed every day. So you need to kind of decide for yourself. Am I a type person that likes to stroll my garden every morning and look at that and poke them off, or every evening? Or, do I not want to have that much maintenance in June? Then I'm not going to have a lot of daylilies. So it just kind of depends on what your personality is with that. But basically, you come in here and we're going to remove all of these blooms from yesterday. Daylilies bloom for one day only. My husband didn't believe me that for a long time. He's like, no way, that flower didn't just last one day. And yeah, they do. They open one day, they die the next. Hence the name daylilies. So you come in here, pop that off like that. Let's see, we got some more. Now we'll warn you about reds. They will stain your hands. So you may want to wear some gloves. I'm kind of hit or miss with that. I may have gloves on, I may not. So there's sort of groomed up. Now the other part of grooming them, and you don't have to do this every day for sure, would be to come in here and remove all of this dead stuff. Just get right down in there, tear out the ones that are just old. And I'll tell you about daylilies, and this is kind of disappointing, but after they bloom, they work really hard for that bloom, and then after they bloom, they're going to rest, and they're going to be tired, and they're going to have a lot of leaves that just start pooping out, and that's what they do. Another thing to consider if you're not into having them look a little tired after they displayed all this glory. So, but there it is, all groomed now and looking even more glorious. You not just love that combination. That this is called Golden Delicious Pineapple Sage, and for our South, this is a winner. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. It spreads, but it doesn't spread in a way you can't dig it out. I've dug this up several times. I'm going to do a video showing some of it in my front pots to replace the gold color coleus, so that way it'll stay every year and I don't have to spend the money on redoing coleus every year. So this daylily is called Cameroons. Beautiful.